Hi, welcome to ORC Computer's Intro to Linux Mint 17. This is going to show the transition of going from a Windows operating system to the Linux operating system. It'll be a short tutorial just to give you the brief synopsis of how it's used. It's similar to Windows. You've got the menu button you click on and it will bring up your programs like games, accessories, calculator, those types of things, programming, Office, LibreOffice, which is similar to Word, and Excel and all that. The background can be changed just as in Windows. You click on, right click, go to backgrounds, and you can change it to any type of background that you'd like. They've got some really beautiful pictures that come with it. Again, same thing, you can also add your own pictures if you'd want to. From your picture directory. So, and same thing, right click and just change backgrounds, and your backgrounds will pop up and you'll be able to change it to whatever you want. And we'll change it back to a standard picture. The bottom toolbar down here, similar to Windows, you've got the wire connections and wireless. They'll show up if you had a wireless card and you can just connect to it. You've got your video, your sound, change the volume up and down. The home folder is where you keep all your documents, pictures, and downloads, music, pictures. Very easy to get to. And this is an Excel file, for example, and if you double click on that, bring it open, LibreOffice, the Excel portion of LibreOffice will open automatically, and then you've got your Excel, make whatever changes you want to, just like in Office programs. Close it without saving. Another nice feature about Linux is you can see it's pretty much the same format and layout, so it'd be real easy to learn how to use. Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, 3 options that you have for surfing the web with. I normally use Firefox, but there are some programs that work better in the other two, so that's why I usually keep them all on there. And then Firefox works just as it would anywhere else, just the browser. So go to ORC Computers, which is my website, and it would show you the, in case you ever need to get a hold of us, and this is our Ask About Linux page. We have a service plan of $100 a year, which gives you full support with no labor charge. You would just pay for any hardware issues that you'd have on your computers. And we also have a remote service that we can come in remotely and help you with problems that you have also. And one cool thing is this thing called Software Manager, which when you bring it up, it basically gives you about over 70,000 packages that you can just kind of browse through. We can look at just all packages, and you can just go through the list. There's Firefox already. The little green check mark shows you've already got them loaded. FileZilla, there's Skype if you need Skype. USB cameras plug right into your desktop, or it'll work off your laptop's camera and sound. Cheese is a really cool program for taking pictures from your webcam. Basically just look through and find, if you want to go by category, you can go back to your categories. And let's say you want to look at the games. You'll look under menu, you'll see that the games file here, we've got a few games loaded. And if you find a game that you want, a lot of people like this one called Bejeweled. This one's called Jeweled. It's similar to Bejeweled. And when you double click on them, you'll get the install feature here. And here is a preview picture of what the game looks like. If you click on install, you'll see the ongoing actions down here. And see, it goes right through. You can go back and you can look for some more stuff if you wanted. There's a, I like one game called KSOL, I believe it is. and 80% done on that. There we go, KSOL. Let's see if we can find it here. It's a KPAT, that's what it is. We'll open that up. And yeah, that's got quite a few solitaire games. We'll click on install on that one too. And then once that's loaded up, again, you'll see once you click on the menu button again, go up to your games, and anything you've loaded recently will be there. There's Mahjong. It's a pretty cool little game here. And we'll let this guy finish up in the background while we're doing that. And you can see that's a full screen version of the Mahjong game. Really nice graphics. We'll close out of that. We'll go look at our software manager. Solitaire is almost done. Date and time down here in the bottom. You can set up different settings of how you want it to appear on the screen. And we can go back to games again and look for see if there's any other games in here. As you can see, there's tons of them. Board games. You can sort by board games. You can sort however you want to. And go back to categories. Again, system tools, science and education, programs, and tons of stuff. Really cool program. Well, let me show you that other game wound up on the start menu now. Under games. And we now have the K-Patience, which is a pretty cool little solitaire game in case you want to do Free Cell or Spider Solitaire or Klondike or whatever. Pretty neat. Then one really nice program that I found from a customer of mine under sound is called Brasero. It will burn CDs for you. You can do a video project, data project to create a video for a DVD. The audio project will create an audio. So if you click on just add a music file, I don't have any music files in there, but if I did, you would just click on add and then click on burn. As soon as you load up 5 or 10 songs or whatever you want, you click burn and it'll burn. You pull it out and play it in a music CD. Very simple, easy to use program. Tons of stuff to find. It's very, very nice operating system, very smooth. This is a very old system here. Let me get this to come up here. It's an Intel Xeon 3.2, basically a Pentium 4 system. Just 8 gigs of RAM. It's got an older hard drive in it, so it's a little slow and hesitates every once in a while. But again, this was a machine getting ready to go out to the trash, and we revived it just by putting Linux on it, and it's a very, very usable game machine for the grandkids, or for me for personal use even. And that's what Linux looks like. We'll be getting more videos. Put some questions. Ask us what kind of questions you would have that you'd like to see us answer, and how to use it, different things like that. Thanks, and have a blessed day.